Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into Looker Studio, Google's free data visualization tool, formerly known as Data Studio. If you want to create interactive dashboards or reports for your business clients or content, this beginner's guide is for you. Let's get started. Looker Studio is a free tool from Google that helps you turn data into beautiful, customizable reports and dashboards. You can pull data from sources like Google Analytics, Google Sheets, BigQuery, YouTube Analytics, and many third-party apps. It's perfect for marketers, freelancers, small businesses, and no coding is needed. To begin, go to lookerstudio.google.com and click on that and log in with your Google account if you haven't already. Then click the blank report and choose a data source. Then select your country name and enter your company name. Then continue and yes to all and click continue. If you are tracking website traffic, use Google Analytics. For spreadsheet data, connect Google Sheets. You can even connect multiple sources in one dashboard. After selecting a source, authorize access and click create a new data source like YouTube Analytics. Then authorize. Again click authorize. Boom, your report is now live. Let's design the layout. You will see a blank canvas with option to add charts, tables, scorecards, time series, graphs, pie charts, and bar charts. Just click insert chart and choose your type, then drag and drag to place it on your report. Customize everything, change fonts, colors and sizes, add your brand logo, use text boxes for notes or headlines, make it clear, clean and easy to understand. Now go to insert, then data range, Then a date range control to let viewers choose a time period. You can also insert filter controls like country, device, traffic source. This allow users to click and filter data live. Super useful for clients or team member reviewing performance. Then click share to invite people via email, set viewer or editor, public, link. You can also schedule automatic email delivers. Email deliveries perfect for weekly or monthly updates. So this is how to use Looker Studio in 2025. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment. What kind of dashboard are you building? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.